So the very first thing I did is I sectioned off the top of the haircut. And what that does is allows me to basically undercut and layer the right side of the haircut. So we're going to go through, layer up the right side nice and short so that when the top is dropped down over this right side, it's not going to be poofy. It's not going to be thick and full because we would have already removed and layered a lot of the under on the right side. So I'm going to cut these layers on the right side, and then once I'm done cutting these layers on the right side, I will proceed with the rest of the haircut. So now that the right side is all done as far as cutting the layers underneath, I've dropped down the top and it's now time to establish the outline on the top of the haircut. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down and basically creating the shape and the outline that I am going for. Now, once I have done that, I will continue those layers that I had on the right side all the way through on the back of the right side. And then once I've done that, I will then do some layers on the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed the right side layering, it's now time to do the left side. So as you can see, I'm taking sections right here, and basically I'm going to layer the left side, and then I'm going to work my way from the left side to the center back of the left side where I left off on the right side. And then once I do that, the two sides will blend. Now I'm going to layer the top of the haircut. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight up and just going through and creating some layers so that the top is fluffy, light, and doesn't have a lot of weight that's going to just drag it down nice and flat. So as you can see, combing the hair up, over directing back, and establishing those layers. Now, I'm also going to do some texturizing on the top so that my model can wear the top of her hair a little bit disheveled if she chooses to, or she can definitely wear it sleek. So as you can see, I'm just going through and chipping in with the points of my scissors to create that texture. Now I'm just wrapping up the haircut with some slicing through the hair just for a little bit more texture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much again for watching.